Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Get It Clear with Govind. In the series of videos of black money, this is the introduction video. In this video, we are going to talk about the definition of black money and how it is generated. This video will be in English, friends. So in the series of videos, we will discuss about what are the advantages of the black money, disadvantages of the black money on the economy, and we will also talk about the money laundering and the Money Laundering Act. And any other related topic towards black money will be discussed in the series of videos. So first of all, let's talk about the definition of the black money. Friends, first of all, let me clarify one thing. Black money doesn't have a single term definition. It varies from place to place. So this definition is brought from investopedia.com. So first of all, let's discuss the definition. Black money includes all funds earned through illegal activity. Suppose theft is an illegal activity. So money earned through theft is a black money. And if money earned through corruption or bribing practice, then it is a black money. Then money earned through smuggling, it is also a crime, illegal activity. So money earned through this also becomes black money. And there is one thing I would like to mention. Maybe you all know black money will not be in black in color. It's just like normal currency, but it is earned through illegal activity. And there is also another term that that legal income that does not record it for tax purpose. So if you have an income but you don't record it in the tax purpose, then that money is also termed as black money. Friends, there is also one thing that people receive in cash. The black money is mostly received in cash because if you do it digitally, it will be recorded. So people who wants black money, they will only ask in cash, and they cannot spend it publicly also. And the major note I would like to mention is, see, fake currency is not black money. Fake currency is not black money. That is a very important note. It is not counted as black money. Fake currency are the notes that are illegally printed by unauthorized agents, but that doesn't come into black money. And see, let's see how black money is generated. They are generated using three ways. One is illegitimate activities like crime, theft. Example is theft. Suppose corruption, like you ask for a bribe of 50 rupees or 50 crores, then the amount of 50 rupees or 50 crores will be termed as black money. If you steal a 50 rupees, then it is also comes under black money. Non-compliance with the tax requirements. Suppose you have to mention your PAN card number in some places, but you don't mention it willfully, then also it comes under black money. And complex procedural regulations. Suppose a company need to maintain 100 trees around it, but it only maintains 50 and it brings a certificate for 100, then it is also bypassing the procedural regulations. Then it also comes under, the amount will be coming under black money. And money laundering. This we will talk in a separate video. Money laundering, I will just give you an outline. If you are converting your black money into legitimate money or the normal money, then it is called as money laundering. Smuggling of goods from one country to other countries, from one state to other state, it also generates income. That generated income will be accounted as black money. And there is another way of black money generation, that is tax evasion. Tax evasion means there is an entity that willfully does not pay the taxes. You have to pay 100 crores of tax, but you are not paying it. Then it comes under tax evasion. And there is tax avoidance. This is much more dangerous, where what you do is you take advantage of the existing loopholes in the system. See, this 100 crore, you divide it at 25 between your family, and the slab for 100 crore tax is different for slab for 25 crore tax. So you are using this existing loophole of this tax slabs, and you are not paying taxes willfully. Then that is tax avoidance. This is not illegal, but this is this is not illegal, this is illegal. This one, tax evasion, is illegal, but tax avoidance is not illegal because you are using existing loopholes. So please stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and please share the video. Thank you for watching.